Legal disclaimer. All the content shown in this video is only for educational purpose. Any misuse of this content is completely at your own risk. Do not attempt to break laws and do any illegal stuff by using this. I am not responsible for that issue. In this video, you are going to learn how to install VMware Workstation. VMware Workstation is a hosted hypervisor that runs on 64-bit version of Windows and Linux operating system. It enables a user to set up a virtual machine on a single physical machine and use them simultaneously along with the actual machine. Each virtual machine can execute its own operating system, including versions like Microsoft Windows, Linux, BSD, and MS-DOS. So that's a small introduction of an VMware Workstation. Now open your browser and type VMware Workstation. Click on the second link and next select the download link. I am selecting the 12th version. So here is the VMware Workstation version of 12.5.9 player. And next click on download and save the file. And now it's going to take some time to download. Now moving to my folder, I have already downloaded. Here you can see the VMware. It's an older version. And next double click on it and it will start installing. Click on next, accept, and selecting for create an icon on desktop so that it will be easy to open. Then click on next. So finally, we have completed the installation of VMware. Then moving to the desktop, double click on it. So here comes the VMware Workstation. So that's how we are going to install VMware Workstation. In the next video, we are going to see how to install 𝘿𝙪𝙢𝙥𝘾𝙤𝙧𝙚. Thank you.